If your MacBook Air M3 is stuck on showing the Apple logo and it just got stuck in a boot loop over and over, it keeps rebooting and restarting, we're going to show you some easy fixes that you can try to solve this issue. First, before anything else, if any outside accessories or peripherals is connected to your device, this might happen for any glitches. So just go ahead, take them off. Okay, now we're gonna just force restart our Mac once. Just press and hold on the power button till the screen goes black. Wait for a few seconds and then press on any button to turn it back on. See if the restarting has stopped. Alright guys, you know what? Sometimes a low charge can cause this problem. It tries to turn on, but it can't. Instead, it's just stuck on this infinite boot loop. So what you can do is just plug it into a charger, and it's better if you just close the lid. Just go ahead, charge it for at least half an hour. After some charging, just go ahead check if the restarting has stopped. Now, in most times the problem is solved. If your problem is still there, let's go ahead check out some advanced settings. For that, press and hold on your power button, and then just keep pressing on the power button until you end up in the startup menu. Now press on Macintosh HD option. Take your cursor to continue button, but don't press it yet. Now press and hold the shift button. You'll see it changes into continue in safe mode, and then just click on it. Hopefully your Mac will restart into safe boot mode. Now sometimes what happens if there is any third-party harmful app that comes up in the startup menu, your device system might temporarily crash and it's just stuck on that boot loop. So if you could open safe mode, go to settings, from there to general, to login items and extensions. And if there is any third-party app or program in here, just go ahead and remove it. And then simply restart your device. See if that solved your problem. Even that didn't help you, don't worry. Lastly, what you can do is just reinstall macOS. To do that, go back to the same startup menu. Now we're going to click on option, from there to continue. Select any of the profile. If you have multiple, press next. Put in your account password, hit enter. As you can see, one of the options is reinstalling macOS. The macOS version might be different depending on which model you are using. And from here, you can reinstall macOS. Please note that this might delete and erase everything from your device. If you're okay with that, you can continue with this process. We have a separate dedicated video on how to reinstall macOS on your MacBook. If you want, you can just go ahead and check it out from there. Hope this video was helpful. Please let us know in the comment section if we could solve your problem. Thanks for watching.